How to search for effects on Instagram. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily save and find effects on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you just want to access your camera section by swiping right on your screen, and once you land on the camera section, here you will be able to see different kind of effects and you can search through them, and if you swipe all the way to the right, you will have this search icon and you'll have an option to browse effects. So just tap on this one and it will allow you to browse effects. So now once you tap on this browse effect option, you'll have an option to search for different kind of effects. So if I just search for a certain blur effect, it will show me all of the available blur effects. So let me just choose this one. And now you can just take a picture, or if you want, you can just tap on this and save the effect. So every time you go back to your home page right here, your saved effects will be shown on the left side of your home page. And that's how you find and search for effects on Instagram. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.